Can you tell me what is it representing? Yes, it's a cloud. Well, do you know that clouds are a very interesting topic to know more about? So today, I, Charu from Holy Child Public School, Rewari, class 7th, is here to brief you about this topic, clouds. So let's start. Clouds are nothing but water vapor present in the atmosphere that has condensed into water droplets or ice crystal that appear in a very visible shape in the sky. We all know that the water on the Earth's surface evaporates and rises up. Then higher up, when the air is cool, the water condenses, which means it changes its form from gas to liquid to form droplets or ice crystal. We see these ice crystals or droplets as clouds in the sky. Then these water come back and fall on the Earth's surface as rain, snowfall, etc. Then these cycles continue, and we all know that this cycle is known as water cycle. Warm air holds more water vapor, more moisture in it than the cool air does. So if the warm air that has lots of moisture, lots of water in it, cools down and condenses, then it forms clouds. Clouds are very heavy and the water in it can weigh several of millions of tons. But the cubic meter of clouds weight only 5 grams. And also the cloud droplets can weigh 1,000 times more than the evaporated water. That is why clouds are heavier than air. Do you know why the clouds do not fall and float and stay above in the air? Let me tell you, this is so because clouds generally form, survive and grow in the air that is always moving upwards. So even after clouds contain lots of moisture, lots of water in it, the water spread out for miles in form of tiny droplets. And these droplets are so small that they have no effect of gravity on them. So this is a reason that clouds stay in the air, float in the air and do not fall down. Isn't it amazing? Now let's talk about the lightning of the clouds. Most lightning occur within the clouds. Other visible bolts may appear as ribbon or rocket lightning. During the storm, colliding particles of the rain, ice or snow inside the storm clouds increase the imbalance of the storm clouds and the ground and oftenly negatively charge the lower reaches of the storm clouds. Clouds are very essential and important to us as well as the Earth's atmosphere. Do you know, apart from the rainfall, clouds also affect and influence the weather and temperature of the Earth. Clouds are actually the key regulators of the planet's average temperature. Some of the clouds contribute to cooling because they reflect some of the sun's energy, means the solar energy. And this is why clouds help in maintaining and cooling down of Earth's temperature. You might have heard a lot of cases of cloudburst, especially in the mountainous zones, isn't it? So what is a cloudburst? A cloudburst is an extreme amount of precipitation in a short period of time. It is capable of creating a flood-like situation anywhere. It quickly dumps a large amount of water. The air currents rushing upwards in a rainstorm holds up a large amount of water. If the current suddenly ceases, then the amount of water descends onto a small area and thus it causes mass destruction. This is due to the rapid condensation of clouds. Okay, let me tell you an amazing fact. Do you know that gases and dust likely form a torus around the central black hole with clouds of charged gases above and below? And astronomers have discovered the largest as well as the oldest mass of water ever detected in the universe. A huge 12 billion year old cloud harboring 140 trillion times more water than the whole Earth's ocean water combined. Isn't that amazing? Now let's discuss some questions related to clouds. How do clouds get their shape? Where clouds get their shape from the air that surrounds them. Air temperature is always changing, affecting the shape of cloud. How snow is formed? Well, snow is formed when small ice crystals stick together to become snowflakes. If enough crystals stick together, they will become heavy enough to fall. How do dark clouds get their color? Well, nimbus clouds get their look from the scattering of the sunlight. What is the study of clouds called? Nymphology is the science of clouds which is undertaken in the clouds physics branch of meteorology. Well, this was my presentation on clouds. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a good day.